Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be opening some packages. All of these packages are gifted from the brands, and I'm not obligated to post, but I'm sharing just because I thought it would be fun to open all of the packages on here with you guys and show you what I've gotten. I've been sick the last couple of weeks and my son has been sick, so we've just been sick, and that's why all of these packages have piled up. The first little package that I have right here is from Jane Iredale. They sent 2 of their Pure Pressed eyeshadow triple. The packaging is so cute. These are so cute. So it's like a little eyeshadow trio. This is the other one they sent. Oh, those are pretty. Those are some really pretty neutral shades. I will definitely play with these and try these out. I love the packaging. It's actually so like smooth and sleek and simple. It's very simple. I love that. They sent their lip and cheek stain. I heard this one is one of their popular products that they have. This is what it looks like. I'll be trying this out, so probably on my TikTok. Last 2 products that they sent are some blushes. I love blushes. These are their Pure Pressed blush. They sent 2 different shades. So cute. It has the little Jane on there. This is the other shade. That's really pretty. I would probably use that for like every day. This next package is from Kiehl's. They sent a couple of new products that they have for acne prone skin. I'm not really dealing with acne right now, so I might just put these in a giveaway or give away to family members that need it more than I do, because I'm not really dealing with acne. A couple years ago, it was a different story, and I actually had a lot of acne and breakouts, but I was able to get it under control, and my skin's not perfect now, but it's definitely doing a lot better. They sent their Expertly Clear Acne Treating and Preventing Lotion, and then they sent their Truly Targeting Acne Clearing Solution. So they sent these 2 products for acne. This next package is from Salon Perfect. We have some cute half lashes, press-on nails with different designs, some nail polishes. I love their nail polishes. And some butterfly stickers for your nails. These are really cute. We have a package from Lancome. Here is what they sent. I was so excited when I opened the box because they sent a bunch of their soft matte lipsticks, and I love lip products. If you know me, you know I love lip products, so I'm very excited to try all of these shades. They also sent their eye makeup remover, which I have used this before. I have one in my bathroom right now, and this is really good, so I'll probably put this in a giveaway. Oh, I might put this in a giveaway, or I might give it to my family. Sent a mini version of their Genifique serum. This serum is really good. I have a couple of these. They also sent 2 mascaras and an eyeliner. Hard Candy sent me all of their lip repair lip oils. These are all of the shades that they have available. You can find these at Walmart. Super excited to try these. I love lip oils. Another package from Kiehl's, and this package has a blue bag this time, which I actually really like this color. And inside it has some of their best sellers, or their Kiehl's favorites, which you can find all of these on sale during the Sephora sale that's coming up. Sent their new Better Screen UV Serum Sunscreen. This has SPF 50. They sent their Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, their Ultra Facial Cream. We also sent their retinol, which I'm so glad because I've been looking for a retinol to add to my skincare routine. And they also sent their Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. We have some cute press-ons from Olive and June. These are all different designs, super cute designs. So I have 4 of these. I love press-on nails. I'm always wearing press-on nails when I want my nails to actually look pretty. I usually go for press-on nails. Next, we have this package from Lawless. I was so excited for this one. They sent their Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Glosses, and they sent all of their shades. We actually wanted to try some of their new shades that they released recently. They also sent this super cute lip mirror that says Lawless on the back. I love that so much. That's so cute. Look how juicy her lips look. I want my lips to look like that. And finally, the last package that I have is this giant package from La Roche-Posay. La Roche-Posay. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly, but sent over a couple of skincare products for me to try. I actually love their cleanser, their gentle repair, gentle cleanser, I don't know, but that has been my go-to cleanser for years now. That's actually what helped clear my breakouts. So I love their skincare products so much, and they sent me a couple of things to try out. This is their Daily Repair Moisturizing Lotion, their Daily Lotion Sunscreen, which has SPF 70, and a 3-step acne routine. Did mention to them that I have struggled with acne before, so I think they sent this just in case I start struggling with acne again. Their Ultra Soothing Repair Moisturizer and their Cicaplast Gel B5. That was the last package. I'm officially done. My back is killing me. I've made a huge mess that I need to clean up now. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like these kind of unboxing videos. And if you do, then I will keep doing these. Let me know if you want a review on any of these products. Check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.